Today on the Roadhouse, we're going to do a fuel filter on a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. Let's get this thing started. And hit the hood opener right there next to the door. There it is. To the left of the motor, right in front of the windshield wiper reservoir. And we are going to do it today. Now what you're going to need is a T20 Torx. That's it. Let's get this thing started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing and Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. Speedy's does all your media blasting and powder coating. Big or small, they do it all. Finley River Towing takes care of all your high-end to low-end towing needs. Call Finley River Towing if you're in the Ozark or Branson area. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. 5 Torx screws here. What you need to do is take this off and put it over here to the side. Now this is going to be full of diesel fuel. And this side is the dirty side. Okay? So you don't want anything dirty going back into that system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out really carefully. This is dirty. Letting everything drain. Let it drain there for a few minutes. Once you get the 5 bolts off, you're going to lift it out, let it drain. Going on out. I'm going to take this thing outside. Be a good time to wipe out everything that's around the edges there. And here's the ideal plan for one of these things is to sit it in some diesel fuel. I didn't have any diesel fuel with me at the house, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. It may just take me a little bit longer to start the car because it's not totally submersed with diesel and all soaked in with diesel. Remember, you don't want anything dirty here. This is actually it's easier to change this than it is to change the oil. there you go. Let's start the car. So this will work from all 2012 to 2014 Volkswagen TDIs. That's going to include your Jetta, your Passat, and the station wagon, which that's based off the Jetta anyway, so that's good to go there. I hope I was able to help you tonight. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. A lot more stuff on the Volkswagen is going to be coming out. Thank you again, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.